Hi, it's Lynette and thank you for joining me today. So today I have my notebook and I have my products. I brought them down in this. I'm doing an update, which is hopefully my last one, I think it should be. But I've got the book just to check on my 22 products in 2022. So it's a panning project that I think I did last year, maybe the year before. The aim is to use up 22 items that you select. Now, I think I swapped out a couple of items. Yeah, so I decluttered one, but then I brought in another one. So, I'm just going to go through and tell you what I have already used up in previous panning videos. I used the Rituals of Happy Buddha body lotion. That was a fab big tub, really nice. The Elmer's Frangipani body oil, which I loved once I started to use it, and I discovered that I could put it in the shower and I could use the oil because you needed to heat it in water. It was like a bowl of water, but when I was upstairs I could have put it in the sink, but I took out the sink stopper, so I never ever got down to doing it, but I put it in the bottom of my shower and it worked a treat. And the oil was absolutely gorgeous. The Elmer's Frangipani is such a beautiful scent as well. I also used up the Lacura Hot Cloth Cleanser. I love the Lacura Hot Cloth Cleanser. I was speaking to my friend Lynn from Lynn All Things Beauty, and she was saying that it didn't agree with her skin. And it might not, it might not be for everybody's skin. However, I really do like the Lacura Hot Cloth Cleanser. Although the one I'm not keen on is the one that smells like the Lazeril, and that's because there's eucalyptus in it. I do not like the smell of eucalyptus. It's taken me a long time. I love Vicks, and I always thought I liked the smell of eucalyptus, but I think that's a different smell that's in the Vicks that I'm liking. Lacura Pineapple Scrub. That was fab. I used it in 2 project pans kind of back to back, so I did get a little bit fed up with it, so I'm using another scrub. But I did finish that one. The OK Serum, I had loads of those. Remember, I think, was it Latest in Beauty that had them? So I think I got one every time. The Oleus Oil, I finished that. The CND Solar Oil, that wasn't full when I started it, but I finished that. The No Acid Peel Pads, they were brilliant from Indeed, really liked those. Bubble tea hand cream, well that was massive, but see, once you get into the habit of using hand cream, you'll always I've got one in my room, in the living room, in the bathroom, in my handbag. I'm never without it now, where I never used to use it before at all. What else have I used up? The Glow Mask, which I think was a mask you put on and it was only for a couple of minutes. The Iconic Lip Oil, which is gorgeous. It's got me addicted to using a lip oil every night. And the Nabla Lip Gloss, which had the kind of pepperminty scent. The lip liner, the number 7 Kohl, I decluttered that because I think I had trouble even sharpening it. The Epsom Salt Scrub, which is really nice. Although I think, was it Sue, you were telling me about the Epsom shower gel, which I've never seen before, and I'm really interested in trying that. So that is everything that I've used up, and I'm going to show you what I've used and finished. So this is the finale. I am hoping I haven't missed something out, and I'm hoping I have it all here in my basket. My bag. Anyway, the LMS Balancing Lavender Toner, I added this one in, not with the view that I wanted to use it up, because I really enjoy using this toner. Now I'm going to keep the bottle to put my regular toner in, because I really do like just spraying it. I don't tend to put it on cotton and wipe it that way sometimes, but I tend to put it directly onto my skin, so I do like the spray. And it also saves you using too much product, because when I splash it into my hand, put it onto my face, can be too much, can actually get a bit foamy, some of them. And when I put it onto cotton, the cotton soaks it up. So for me, this is the way I prefer to use it. So I did actually give my mum my last container to put her toner in, and I said, because I don't think she uses toner that often, but I said put it in a spray bottle, it makes it much easier for me to use anyway. So I will be keeping that. And it wasn't that I didn't love this product, I do. But the Lush Bubble Scrub, bubblegum lip scrub. It lasts forever, and because I really wanted to finish this month, I kind of must have used it about 2 or 3 times a day. See if you kind of have like dry lips, or your lips kind of feel a bit flaky. Lip scrubs aren't for everybody. Some people don't like them, some people find them too coarse. I find this one's really nice, it's not too coarse at all. However, just take your face cloth, flannel, whatever you want to call it, washcloth, damp it under some kind of warm water and then rub it on your lips. It does just as good a job, and it saves you like, what, £6–7? So that's what I do when I'm not using a lip scrub. Oh, now this one. I really like this. Nails Yard Frankincense Intense. It's a hydrating essence. Visibly smooths, conditions and refines. I really like how this left my skin feeling, but one of my lovely friends on here, Sally, had said, I think there's a 6-month expiry date from opening this, and this has been opened for ages. And when she said that, I checked the bottom and it said 6 months. So it's still in date until May 2023, but it's been opened for longer than 6 months. So what I did, and it was actually Kate, who has a YouTube channel, said to me that she uses her excess toner, her excess serums and things on her feet, and I thought, I've never tried putting it on my feet, so I put this on my feet and they felt lovely. What was nice about it is it gave it some hydration, but it dried in a lot quicker than like foot kind of cream does. So the rest of this went on my feet. I could have probably used it on my face, but once I knew it was kind of well out of date, I started thinking, did it smell a bit funny? Did it feel a bit funny? Was the colour wrong? So I thought, just put it on my feet, and that way I use it up. So I'm not kind of worrying about it bringing me out in breakouts or anything. And they are only guidelines, but I thought I'm going to actually make sure I follow it because it's going on my skin. The Oxyton Cherry Blossom. I ended up keeping this just in my wardrobe, just so I would put it on every day and got through that. It was nice, it was really nice. Not very strong, but it had a lovely scent to it, so I did enjoy that. However, I did find I've become a bit obsessive because I popped a perfume in, so I wanted to wear it all the time, so it just became a little bit of a challenge to finish it, and I kind of felt a bit like I got really fed up with it. I got fed up with a lot of the products in this polish panning project. Polish panning? I'm on the wrong project. Too many panning projects. So yeah, I decided just to finish them up, really go for it, finish it up. Just because I was getting fed up using the same products. The Rituals Sugar Love, the Ritual of Holy, Flamingo Flower and Pink Grapefruit. That was nice, quite subtle though. I think Monique had said it was quite sweet for her. However, I've not got a great sense of smell. Just trying to... Yeah, I would put it on and it had a nice smell, but I didn't think it lasted too long. What else do we have here? Oh, the Ecotherapy hair mask. Really enjoyed using that. A little went a long way. So I really didn't have too much to use, but what I tend to do is if I'm having a shower at night, I would put this on. I wouldn't put conditioner on every time, but I would put this on and then just rinse it off in the morning, because that's what I do with my hair masks. But no, I enjoyed using that, but because of the size of it, it kind of felt a bit tedious to keep using that one where there's so many other things. And I finished these 2 nail polishes. Now they're the Ted Baker, they're lovely colours, but because there was 2 of them in this, don't actually look like I've finished them, do they? But I have, honest. You see that is completely empty. So I finished those, but I'm just going to go through and just do a wee double check and just check that I have actually finished. So the house has been a wee bit kind of upside down, so I just wanted to get this out the way as well, because Brandon moved into a flat. They've been looking for a flat for ages and they finally got one. And then Stephen moved into Brandon's room, so I feel like there's been stuff everywhere, and Brandon's still not picked up all these things, so we haven't been able to fully kind of get everything done yet, but we'll get there. It's just stop being impatient. It'll get done. So I'm gonna, oh, my ears have just started ringing. Oh, that's really weird. So the Nails Yard have finished, the Rituals body spray, the Lush lip scrub, Cherry Blossom perfume, the hair mask, the Ted Baker light nail polish, the Ted Baker dark, that's just what I called them on here, the Elemis toner. That's me done. So that's the 22 items in 2022, finished by the end of June. And actually, I think if I'd taken it any longer, it would just really have frustrated me. So I'm glad to see it done. I do like panning projects if you want to use things up, but I had like, so I've got 22 and 22, I've got the Drop 10 by Summer, I've got the Skin Is In, I'm also doing the 2022 decluttering videos with Lottie, and I'm doing the nail polish panning videos. So that's kind of like 5 things on the go. And it was just, I know, like, I'm just thinking Marcia, Lady Mala, just loads of them, and kind of keeping track of them. I think she said she's kind of going back in and sorting out how she does it. But for me, I like to use a product up and then move on to something else. But because I had things in all these different projects, I was trying to use them up at the same time, but I felt like I was really, that then made it feel like it was, they were around for ages. So I probably would limit the panning projects that I do. I love the Skin Is In one, it's really good fun. The Drop 10 for Summer is a really good kind of short one as well. So I'm not ruling anything else out, but I think I would need to consider what I put in. So anyway, thank you if you're still here listening to me whittling on. Thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed, just hit that kind of little subscription button, subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll get notified every time I upload, although sometimes it doesn't. So just check in. I try and post Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 6 PM. I never used to have a schedule, however you want to say it. But now I've kind of thought I'll kind of try and stick to it. Sometimes I miss a day and then I'll post on, I'll try and stick to the next scheduled day. Sometimes a box will come in and I'll just want to film it and upload it. But I do kind of film, if I can, I film more than one video in one day. So yeah, I'm going off now to film my Drop 10 by Summer update. And I'll speak to you soon, but thank you for watching, guys. Bye.